Nico, we are going to use that equipment to calculate the BTUs of the equipment.
Yes.
What is the process?
So here we have the anemometer.
Anemometer. Perfect.
Anemometer. And so this anemometer, we're going to calculate. We're going to tell the app on the phone what size the exit of the unit is.
Correct.
It's going to tell me how many CFMs the unit's producing. Once I have that number, I'm going to calculate that. I'm going to enter it into the system, and then I'm going to enter these two probes.
Okay, one probe at the output.
This probe is going to be on the return. This probe is going to be on the supply.
On the supply. Perfect.
And so it's going to read the delta difference. As well as the humidity difference, and it's going to be able to calculate how many BTUs the unit's producing.
Okay, we are going to refresh. With the anemometer, we are going to check the CFM.
Yes.
Okay, and with those sensors, one sensor in the discharge, other in the return, and we are going to check the delta in temperature and the delta in humidity.
Exactly.
Okay, with those values, we are going to calculate the BTUs.
Exactly.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
This is what is the brand of this equipment?
This is by Testo.
Oh, Testo. Testo is a great equipment. It's designed exclusive for that purpose.
This is, yes, designed exclusively for refrigeration. They also have gauges. They have many other tools, many other probes.
Oh, wonderful. This is a great brand, no?
Yes, absolutely.
No, wonderful. Okay, we are going to do that. You have the software of Testo over there?
Yes.
This is the app?
Yes. So here I'm going to be looking at the volume flow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to input here. This is a 4-inch duct coming off of the unit.
The air is coming out.
So I'm going to move this guy out of the way. Free area is 100%. It's a round open hole and there's
Correct.
no restriction in there.
No restriction.
So this is now configured. You can see the Testo 410i.
Correct. The anemometer, 253 CFM. Okay, 265 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, wonderful. All right, now you hold it for a couple of minutes, or?
No, I'm gonna try and get a steady number for this jumping around a little bit.
Correct. Oh, nice.
We're gonna call this 270.
Okay, 270.
I was jumping from about 260 to 280. So then I'm gonna switch over here and I'm gonna go to heating and cooling load.
Perfect.
Over here I'm gonna adjust my CFMs.
And we are going to put 270.
And we're gonna put 270.
We are going to adjust 270 CFM. And now we are going to install the sensors, see the charge and the return. Perfect. Both of them are running. You see the LED indicator and that one. And the app calculates the BTUs. 8.5 BTUs. 8.5, 8.6. That's correct. For 270 CFM according with the information of the anemometer.
So here what we're looking at is a temperature in the return of 78.9, so we'll call it 79 degrees.
This is the temperature here at the return.
Going into the unit, and then right here we're coming out with
the 64 degrees in the
64.7.
Perfect. And the equipment is producing 8.7 BTU.
Yes.
In theory, that unit is 7,000, but
yes.
In this moment it's 8.7.
Yes.
It's great. I love
again,
that equipment.